5S and 3M from WCM. 1. 5S is a systematic approach to workplace organization that focuses on 5 key principles: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. 2. It aims to improve workplace efficiency, safety, and productivity by eliminating clutter, organizing tools and materials, maintaining cleanliness, and establishing standardized work practices. 3M, on the other hand, stands for Muri, overburden, Muda, waste, and Mura, inconsistency, which are key concepts in identifying and eliminating non-value-added activities and process inefficiencies. 4. 5S promotes a visually organized and well-maintained workplace, enhancing employee morale, reducing errors, and enabling quick identification of abnormalities. 5. 3M focuses on identifying and eliminating activities that strain resources, waste time or materials, and introduce variability in production processes. 6. Both 5S and 3M are integral components of the world-class manufacturing (WCM) system, contributing to a lean and efficient work environment. 7. 5S and 3M support continuous improvement efforts by providing a foundation for standardization, waste reduction, and process stability. 8. They promote a culture of discipline, accountability, and continuous learning, where employees are actively engaged in maintaining and improving their workspaces. 9. 5S helps in reducing search and setup times, ensuring easy access to tools and materials, and improving overall workflow efficiency. 10. 3M enables organizations to identify and address the root causes of waste, variability, and overburden, leading to improved process flow and resource utilization. 11. 5S and 3M require ongoing monitoring and auditing to sustain the improvements and ensure adherence to established standards. 12. They enhance safety in the workplace by promoting good housekeeping practices, reducing hazards, and ensuring clear and unobstructed pathways. 13. 5S and 3M contribute to better visual management and communication, allowing employees to easily identify abnormalities, share information, and collaborate effectively. 14. They establish a foundation for continuous improvement initiatives, such as Kaizen events and problem-solving activities, by creating a structured and organized work environment. 15. 5S and 3M encourage employee ownership and engagement, as they involve employees in the development and maintenance of work standards and practices. 16. They contribute to a positive work culture, where employees take pride in their work environment and actively contribute to maintaining cleanliness, order, and efficiency. 17. 5S and 3M enable organizations to create a standardized and consistent approach to work, ensuring that tasks are performed in a consistent manner across different shifts and teams. 18. They support a proactive approach to maintenance by promoting regular cleaning, inspection, and preventive maintenance activities. 19. 5S and 3M improve visual control and facilitate error-proofing by ensuring that tools, equipment, and materials are properly labeled, stored, and easily identifiable. 20. They are fundamental principles for creating a lean and efficient work environment, fostering continuous improvement, and driving overall operational excellence.